Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Richmond Estate. This is one of the nicest developments, residential developments you will find in Jamaica. It's located in Richmond on the north coast, which is in St. Anne. This development is about 15 minutes from Ocho Rios or 50 minutes from the Sangster International Airport. Now this development, as you can see, the landscape is very nice. I think this was the first development to build such an eco-friendly development. You can see all the green space. It's not a concrete jungle. A lot of trees, well maintained. And it has won numerous awards for quality. Now, this is the Palms that we're driving through. This was the first development to be done on Richmond Estate. Richmond Estate is over 500 acres. And they are doing 6 developments, 5 or 6. And this was the first one. This is the Palms. They did another one called Fern Court, and another one called Cool Shade, and another one called The Crest. And they're currently working on their 5th one, which is Country Walk. So phase 1 was the Palms, phase 2 was Fern Court, those were apartments. Phase 3 was Cool Shade, phase 4 was Crest Homes, and phase 5 is Country Walk. And all the developments are nicely laid out like this. Country Walk is under development, but it's sold out. These units don't last long on the market, in very high demand. And a lot of these units are used for Airbnb rentals. And just to give you an idea, 60% of these units were bought by Jamaicans in the USA, 30% by Jamaicans in Canada, and 10% by Jamaicans in the UK. So it is a very popular Airbnb rental, or when people come out, they want to use it. Very impressive development. So when the entire thing is finished, Richmond will have 1,600 homes. And this one that we're looking at is the Palms. It has 356 3-bedroom units. It was built in 2009 and it takes up 80 acres. 80 acres. So it's 356 units in this development, very nicely laid out, and it was built in 2009. Now, I've often said that the reason why Draxhall does so well, and Draxhall is about 5 minutes from here, is because they follow this model, the Richmond model. This is how the units or the developments in Draxhall are built. And this development, I personally think, is the nicest development in Jamaica. The way it was built, it's just so scenic. It's definitely the nicest one. That's my opinion in Jamaica. And it's good that other developments are following this formula, because this is definitely the way to go. Alright guys, enjoy the tour of Richmond Estate, the Palms, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about it. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. And the next time we come back here, we are going to get drone footage for you. Alright guys, have a good day.
Yeah.